If your hands and feet feel like they're being stabbed with 1,000 tiny needles, I need you to stop what you're doing and listen carefully. What I'm about to share helped one of my patients regain feeling in her fingers in just 14 days using something widely available and surprisingly affordable. But here's what terrifies me. If you ignore this tingling and numbness, you're not just dealing with discomfort, you're risking permanent nerve damage that can lead to devastating falls, complete loss of sensation in your extremities, and a dramatic decline in your independence. The good news is that catching this now means you can reverse it, and I'm going to show you exactly how. I'm Dr. Sarah Jenkins, and over the years, I've dedicated myself to helping people over 60 reclaim their health and vitality. Today, I'm going to reveal exactly which vitamin your nerves are desperately crying out for, why it works so powerfully, how much you need to take, and the critical mistakes most seniors make that prevent them from getting results. Before we go any further, drop a comment below telling me your age and what country you're watching from. I love connecting with our community around the world, and your engagement helps me create content that truly matters to you. Now, I want you to ask yourself if you're experiencing any of these warning signs. Do your hands or feet tingle when you're trying to sleep at night? Do you have trouble feeling hot or cold water when you turn on the tap? Are buttons becoming harder to fasten even though your hands look perfectly fine? Do you feel unsteady when walking, like you're not quite sure where your feet are landing? Or maybe you've noticed that burning sensation in your feet that just won't go away no matter what you do. If you said yes to even one of these symptoms, your nerves are sending you an urgent distress signal that you cannot afford to ignore. Let me explain what's actually happening inside your body right now, because understanding this will change everything. Your nerves are like electrical wires running throughout your entire body, sending messages from your brain to your fingers, your toes, everywhere. But here's the problem that nobody talks about. These nerves are covered in a protective coating, almost like the plastic insulation on an electrical cord. As we age, especially after 60, our body's ability to maintain this protective coating decreases dramatically. When that coating breaks down, your nerves become damaged, exposed, and start misfiring wildly. That's exactly what causes the tingling, the numbness, and that terrible burning pain that keeps you up at night. Now, here's where it gets interesting, and this is information that could genuinely change your life. There's one specific vitamin that your body absolutely needs to repair and maintain that protective nerve coating. Without it, your nerves simply cannot heal, no matter what else you do. With it, you can actually reverse the damage that's already occurred. I'm talking about vitamin B1, also called thiamine. And this isn't just another supplement trend or marketing hype. In my practice, I've seen remarkable transformations. I've watched people who couldn't hold a coffee cup without dropping it regain full hand strength and coordination. I've seen patients who couldn't feel their feet when walking become steady and confident again, able to go for walks without fear. I've witnessed people who thought their best days were behind them get back to gardening, cooking, and even dancing. These aren't rare exceptions or lucky cases. This happens regularly when people address their B1 deficiency properly. The truth is, your body is incredibly resilient and wants to heal itself. Your nerves are designed to repair themselves when given the right support. They're not broken beyond repair. They just need the right fuel. And B1 is that essential fuel. Think about it like this. If you had a car and never put oil in the engine, eventually it would break down completely. The parts would grind together, wear down, and stop working. Well, B1 is like oil for your nervous system. It keeps everything running smoothly, protects those delicate nerve fibers, and helps messages travel from your brain to every part of your body without interference or static. When you don't have enough B1, it's like running your nervous system on empty. The messages get garbled and confused. The signals misfire randomly. You get that pins and needles sensation that drives you crazy. Your hands feel numb when you're trying to do simple tasks. Your feet feel like they're not even there, like you're walking on thick socks all the time. Walking becomes frightening because you can't feel where your feet are landing. You start bumping into things because your body's internal GPS system is scrambled. But when you give your body the B1 it desperately needs, the healing process can begin almost immediately. Your body starts rebuilding that protective coating around your nerves. The signals start traveling clearly again without static or interference. The numbness begins to fade week by week. Patients describe it as feeling like themselves again for the first time in years, like someone finally turned the lights back on after being in darkness. Now, you might be thinking that you probably get enough B1 from your diet because you eat healthy and take care of yourself. Here's the shocking truth that most doctors never mention. Many adults over 60 are deficient in B1, and most don't even know it until the nerve damage becomes severe. Studies show that up to 1/3 of older adults don't get enough B1 from their diet alone, and the numbers get dramatically worse if you're taking certain common medications. Why does this happen? There are 3 reasons. First, as we age, our stomach produces less acid, which means we can't absorb B1 from food efficiently. A healthy 30-year-old might absorb 70% of the B1 from their food, but after 60, that can drop to 20%. Second, many common medications actively block B1. If you're taking metformin for diabetes or water pills for blood pressure, those can drain your B1 levels. Third, modern food processing strips B1 out of most foods. Let me share a real example. I had a patient named David who was 71 years old and very health conscious. He walked every day and ate his vegetables, but he came to me complaining about numbness in his feet. He couldn't feel the pedals when he drove his car. We ran blood work and his B1 levels were dangerously low. Those medications he'd been on for years had been quietly draining his reserves. We started him on B1 supplementation right away. Within 3 weeks, he called me in tears of joy. He could feel the ground when he walked and the gas pedal in his car. It was like someone turned the lights back on in his body. If you're over 60 and experiencing any tingling or numbness, understand that every day that passes with low B1, your nerves suffer more damage. Early damage can be reversed quickly, but long-term damage takes months. Now let me tell you exactly what you need to do. Step 1. Get the right form of B1. This is absolutely crucial. You need to look for benfotiamine. Regular thiamine gets broken down quickly in your stomach, but benfotiamine stays in your body longer and works significantly better for nerve repair. Look for the word benfotiamine, spelled BENFOTIAMINE, on the label. Step 2. Get the right dosage. For nerve repair, I recommend between 150 and 300 milligrams of benfotiamine daily. This is the therapeutic dose. B1 is water-soluble, meaning your body safely eliminates what it doesn't use. You cannot take too much. There has never been a documented case of B1 overdose. If symptoms are intense, start with the full 300 milligrams. Step 3. Timing. Take your B1 in the morning with breakfast. B1 provides energy, so taking it at night might interfere with sleep. Take it with a meal that has healthy fat, like eggs or nuts, to help absorption. Consistency is everything. Your body uses B1 constantly. If you miss days, your progress slows down. Think of it like watering a plant. It needs consistent daily care. Here's what you can expect when you start taking B1 properly. During week 1, you might notice increased energy and mental clarity before the nerve changes start. Week 2 is when the first hints of nerve improvement happen. The tingling might not be as sharp when you wake up. Weeks 3 and 4 bring more consistent improvements. Your balance feels steadier, and you stop dropping things. Let me tell you about Eleanor, a 67-year-old patient who came to me in tears. She couldn't feel her grandchildren's hands when they held hers. She was dropping glasses and plates, and she had fallen twice in 6 months. Her daughter had to help her with buttons because Eleanor, who had been a seamstress for 40 years, couldn't even fasten her own blouse. She felt she was losing her dignity. We started her on 300 milligrams of benfotiamine daily. Within just 14 days, she could feel a real difference. Within 6 weeks, she was buttoning her own shirts again. Within 3 months, she was back to knitting and sewing. She made me a beautiful scarf as a thank you. But I didn't give her back her life. The B1 did. Her body just needed the right tools to heal. Eleanor suffered for 2 years unnecessarily because nobody told her about this. Before we wrap up, I need to address 3 critical warnings. Warning number 1. Get proper testing. Ask your doctor for blood work that includes B1 levels so you know your starting point. Warning number 2. If you have kidney problems or take multiple medications, talk to your doctor first. Warning number 3. Remember that diabetes medications and diuretics deplete B1 continuously. Also, B1 works best when combined with B6 and B12. These vitamins work as a team. Consider a quality B complex that includes benfotiamine, at least 100 milligrams of B6, and 1,000 micrograms of B12. Here is your final action plan. Week 1. Start 150 to 300 milligrams of benfotiamine daily with breakfast. Week 2. Add a B complex with B6 and B12. Weeks 2 to 4. Keep a symptom journal. Rate your tingling on a scale of 1 to 10. Week 4. Follow up with your doctor. Bonus tips. Avoid alcohol as it depletes B1 and stay hydrated. This protocol has helped countless patients reclaim their quality of life. Now, I want to hear from you. Comment below and tell me what symptoms you're dealing with. Your story might inspire someone else to take action. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, because I create videos like this every week. I'm Dr. Sarah Jenkins, and remember, your best years are not behind you. Take care of those nerves today.